Hey, what's up? I'm Jacob Kaufman. I'm the Nerd on the Street. We're about to record episode 83 of the Nerd on the Street podcast. Hold it, landscape. What are you doing?
Stop yelling at me.
So we're unboxing the Bumblebee II microphone right now that Cody brought over. We're addressing you as Cody in the podcast. Is that what we're going with?
This stuff for me is V2, but to be named later.
Well, that's kind of long.
I
assume you
I'll go by
prefer-
Cody then.
Okay. All right, so we're just unboxing this microphone that he's never used before. It's USB, so it will not plug into my Focusrite Scarlett. Unfortunately, we've got the USB cable. It is USB-C at least.
Hey,
To A, yeah.
could have been an Apple one, you know.
We've got metal, and here is the microphone itself.
It's on sale on Amazon.
This is smaller than my Blue Yeti was. Probably not going to sound quite as good as the Blue Yeti. It looks kind of like a snowball type of deal. So that's it. Listen to episode 83 of the Nerd of the Street podcast to see how this thing sounds.